Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaclit Educational Channel. So this video is the first review coming up from the candidates, those who have appeared for the UGC NET Environmental Science paper on 7th of January 2026. Yes, the UGC NET December 2025 session. Today's paper, how was it? What the students are having their responses? The first review we are getting the Zaclit team for you. So without much delay, let's start this video. So these are the reviews coming from the candidates, those who have appeared for today's paper. So we'll know one by one. This is the first review. So one of the candidates said, compared to June session, paper was easy. So December session is easy compared to the June 2025 session. Easy Thas bar, one of the candidates is telling this time. More arrange in order types of question came. So we have to arrange ascending or descending order. That type of questions came this time more. RC was easy this time. So the reading comprehension was easy this time according to this candidate. You may vary in your opinion. If you are having any of your opinions, you can comment in the comment section. Next, another candidate is telling that DI was easy. So here RC was easy as per this candidate. And this candidate is telling DI, that is data interpretation, in paper 1 was easy. And paper 1 Kothari Commission matching, there was one question. So we already did this Kothari Commission in one of our paper 1 quizzes which we conduct every day in our Telegram page, Learn for the Environment. Paper 1 we used to conduct on Saturday. So Kothari Commission match the following. The question came in paper 1. And another candidate, he or she is telling easy number series. There was a number series given in paper 1 as per the candidate and it was easy. So overall, the views which we are getting from the first review coming from the candidates is that the compared to the final time, that means the last time, this time the paper was easier. So if it was easy and paper 1, paper 2 both were easy, then what will happen to the cutoff? Yes, cutoff may go up if this was the trend followed this year for this paper, this session, that is December 2025, then definitely the cutoff will go more. It depends on that and also how the students have done. So we'll bring a mega review after knowing all your comments and reviews from maximum number of candidates. And we are also running a poll in our Telegram page. You can give your view. How was the paper 1 and paper 2? So your comments are important for the mega review. We will bring that review very soon after getting much adequate information. So I hope this first review was useful for you. Now you have to relax. You have appeared the exam. Now it's time to wait for the answer key. For the memory based questions also we'll make a separate video when we will share your questions which came in examination. So these are the secondary things. Now you have to relax. Don't worry. Don't be much anxious. Now let's pray for the better results. So see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel Zaclit for further updates. See you guys in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.